The biggest eruption of Vesuvius volcano was in 79 AD. It destroyed all Pompeii.
Good morning, guys. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. We are here in Naples and we are going to Napoli Centrale to take the train to Pompeii and Vesuvius. Stick with us. We are now waiting for the train going to Pompeii. The ticket was only 2.8 euro, and from there we will take a bus to archaeological site of Vesuvius. So we just bought the tickets for Vesuvius mountain from Pompeii station. It was 10 euro per person.
I think you already know that to visit the crater there is a ticket of 10 euros, right? There will be a guide at the meeting point 700 meters after the gate, because there you can form a group and go together. I can give you tickets because there is no ticket office up there. It's 200 meters down, but the price is the same. It's an extra service we offer on board.
The bus from Pompeii took 50 minutes and now we are climbing up to the mountain of Vesuvius. We made it to the top of Vesuvius mountain. I am right here on the top with this spectacular view. Just to recap, we went from Napoli to the main railroad station. We took the train to Pompeii Scavi and it was 2.8 euro. And then we took a organized bus directly from the railway station. It was 10 euro and we will have also return, and here the entrance is also 10 euro.
Let me tell you that just in the last 400 years, since 1631 to 1944, this volcano erupted 30 times. The last was in 1944. The one is the one that I showed you there. Okay, so today we are living a sort of they call quiescent period, a period of rest. We don't know how long it will last. Most of scientists, people, ordinary people imagine what? That today Vesuvius is preparing a new cycle of activity. Because this is the way this volcano behaves. Many eruptions and then a period of rest. Today we are in the period of rest.